Good evening mga kachibugan. Good Sunday evening. Tonight, I'm back. Dinner na po. Orange chicken, yam chow fried rice, and almondigas soup. So, let's eat, mga kachipugan. Soup. Good. Just the way I like it. So, advance Happy Chinese New Year. Kaya, kain na po. Init. And orange chicken, sorry. Until next time, mga katibugan. That's it. Mabuo. Bola-bola. Bye.